Hey guys, so I've made over $2 million online as a 32-year-old, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it without having any fancy funnels or going viral on TikTok or any sort of content. So my name is Jordan. I run a 7-figure agency. I've sold courses, coaching, and done-for-you services with my own Google Ads agency. But here's the truth. I didn't have any crazy tech skills. I didn't go to school for marketing or all these technical skills. I don't have a huge team, and I didn't go on viral on TikTok, YouTube, or anything like that. I've just been really consistent with my content. Okay. And simply just having one simple offer that solved a painful problem for our clients. And what I figured out early is you don't get rich by offering marketing. Okay. You make money by solving an urgent problem for people that do have money. And that's it. That's literally all you need to do is have a skill that can solve an urgent problem for people that have money and is willing to pay you in exchange for your service. Have a simple offer, get real results, and then scale that system. And that's how I've been able to scale my agency from zero, from nothing, from my bedroom to a 7-figure company. And I've actually been mentoring a lot of students, a lot of agency owners, media buyers, and even service-based businesses how to run their own Google Ads using AI and being able to generate their own customers and leads through using a lead generation system without having to rely on third-party vendors or shady marketing companies. And if you want my team to literally go in and manage your Google Ads, if you're a service-based business, or maybe you're an agency owner yourself, we can literally generate you phone calls and new clients, new customers within 7 days because we already have a proven system. And if you're looking to have me literally mentor you and just walk you through and just share with you the data that we already have and you can skip the learning curve, I can also mentor you so that way you don't have to hire another marketing person. Instead, you can just run the ads yourself and own your entire system. And so my first real success was when I niched down, right? I picked a specific local business vertical, and that happened to be within the plumbing, law firms, medical, healthcare type niches, okay? Or I should say home service-based businesses, law, and then medical and healthcare. And I ran Google Ads for them, and I generated real phone calls, and they paid me anywhere between $1,500 to $5,000 per month, happily, by the way, because I have clients that pay me up to $12K per month now, and even more than that, depending on how much we scale their company. So some have stayed for 6 to 12 months, even longer. Some stayed for less than that, but for a majority, our clients are happy because we are generating high quality leads that actually turn into paying clients, not paying clients, but paying customers for our clients. And so that gave me my first 10K per month mark, and then it just stacked from there. Really just a simple offer that gets results, and just staying consistent with that, we've been able to really scale our own company. So here's how I made over 7 figures with my company. I productized the offer, I systemized my fulfillment, I hired help slowly, I raised my prices, I added a course, and I added coaching. And then I taught others how to do the same thing because people started finding out what I was doing on YouTube. I've been documenting my journey ever since I started my agency, from not knowing how to run Google Ads, to getting my first client, to making my first 10K, to scaling my agency to 6 figures, to making my first 7-figure $1 million in net profit, to now generating over multiple millions of dollars through my agency. And so people started reaching out. Hey, Jordan, can you help me build my agency? Hey, Jordan, can you teach me what you know with Google Ads? Hey, Jordan, can you run Google Ads for my clients or my business? Or that's how my business really grew. And that's how I got into consulting, coaching, and even adding a course to really just help people that's been following me, watching my journey through YouTube and seeing that we can actually get results for our clients. And now I pretty much get paid in 3 ways. I have a service done for you clients, which is 90 to 95% of my revenue, which is my Google agency. And me and my team, we basically run ads for service-based businesses specifically. So if you're a service-based business, or you have clients that are service-based businesses, or you want to get into this field where you want to learn how to do the same thing and get results for service businesses, such as, home services, law firms, medical, healthcare, like we already mentioned, that's exactly what I do. The second way is course sales. Now, I took down my course sales recently because I didn't want to focus on that as much anymore. I wanted to focus more on building an actual relationship with my students, and I just feel like I get a lot better results when I'm able to work in a group setting or one-on-one with my private students. And they're able to accelerate their results so much faster because truthfully, for people that buy courses, they don't really go through the entire course. And there's a lot of accountability that isn't being involved, okay? And so what I found is that I just get much better results working with students directly. And if that's you, if you want me to walk you through and hop on weekly calls with me, that is what I offer. I can literally teach you how to do this whole entire thing. And here's what I didn't do. I didn't make 50 offers. I didn't chase after the next shiny objects and go into trading and Airbnb and Amazon FBA. And every time there's this new money making idea came up, I didn't chase after it. I literally just stuck with my offer and really just focused on my business and not really looking at what other people are doing. Sure, I looked at what people are doing in my space and seeing what's working, but I didn't really look to steer in a different direction. And so I didn't try to build some sort of big brand. As you can see, like my YouTube channel, I don't have 100,000 subscribers. I don't have millions of views on any of my videos. I think my biggest video is maybe a little bit over 100,000 views, but that's because I just gave insane value. It was like a free Google Ads course, okay? And I really just focused on delivering real results to clients that they could literally feel and see within days. Like we get results for our clients within the first 30 days, if not the first 7 days, if not within the first 1 to 3 days. That's how quickly we're able to get results for our clients because we have a systemized product, a systemized offer, and our system is scalable. Now, my business model is really in 3 parts, okay? Number 1, I have my service, which is running Google Ads specifically for local service businesses. That's my niche. My second part is my mentorship, which is now teaching others how to build the same, learning Google Ads to do the same thing as me. And then lastly, number 3 is pretty much my course, my product, which like I mentioned, I've taken down, but I did make money from that, so I wanted to include that in this video as well. And that's pretty much just a plug and play system where I give you all the resources that I have to speed up your agency. So all the templates, the ads, the scripts, the campaign setups. You can literally just copy and paste that in and you can just start getting results for your clients. And I offer all that inside my mentorship too. Once you enroll in the mentorship, you get access to the course as well, obviously, right? And that's pretty much how I hit $2 million in total revenue by staying lean and focused. I think too many people, they get sidetracked and they do too many things and try to hire more and scale too fast. And that's how their agency and their business breaks down. And I've been able to generate over $2 million in revenue now. And most of it, I would say, is profit. I would say like about 60 to 70%, if maybe a little bit more, is actually profit. So here's what I would do if I was just starting from scratch, okay? If I was you, I would pick one niche, I would master one skill. I chose how to master Google Ads combined with AI, and then sell a clear outcome to your potential buyers, right? Which is generating leads into phone calls that turn into customers for your clients. And then you use these results as case studies to pretty much get more clients. It's super, super simple. And it's even more simple now with the help of AI, because AI can literally just give you the scripts, the templates, and everything you need to get your business going. And you can systemize this whole entire thing and scale slowly like I did. I've been in this game for quite a while compared to a lot of agency owners who tried it, had a little bit of success with it, but then exited because they just either scaled too fast or they just didn't really know what they were doing, okay? So don't worry about chasing the, making 100K per month right away. Just build the foundations first, and this is how you can have a lasting business like I've been able to do for myself. So you don't need to be a genius. Like I said, you can have the help of AI or get help from a mentor, and you really just need to be consistent like myself. There's no secret sauce to it. And so like I said, if you want to personally get coached by me or have my team crush your Google Ads within 7 days, I'll leave the link in the description below, and let's get you to 10K per month and beyond by using a simple business model and generating real money.